Dear traders, U.S. markets, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P. European markets, the DAX, the FTSE, the CAC 40. Asian markets, we can see all of the gains. It's very clear. Other indices, S&P, TSX, and Crummy Russian. But this is how the world is shaping up on a Sunday after the Israel defense attack. So we don't know exactly how much more it will escalate. We do know one thing for sure. They are out to get even for the leaders that were killed. I just want you to know that moving forward, we're overbought on all markets in the world. We are overbought. We have the biggest pump and dump that I've ever seen in U.S. market history. Right here, right now, worldwide. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let us take you down that road of what? Successful trading. Start it now.